Are you a UK small business owner eager to make a splash on Instagram and connect with more customers? But finding that professional design work comes with a hefty price tag that just doesn't fit your budget right now. Well, you're in luck. Let me show you just how incredibly easy it is to create eye-catching, professional-looking Instagram ads using the power of Canva. And the best part, it's absolutely free to get started. That's right, you don't need to be a design guru or have any prior experience. All you need is a few minutes, a sprinkle of creativity, and a desire to grow your business. First things first, let's head over to canva.com in your web browser. Once you're there, take a look at the search bar and type in Instagram ad. From the options that appear, pick the one that specifies the 1080 by 1080 pixel size. This is the classic square format, perfectly optimized for those engaging mobile feeds that your customers are scrolling through every day. And now, you have a choice. You can start with a completely blank canvas, giving you total creative freedom. Or if you're looking to save some time and get inspired, you can choose one of Canva's professionally designed and completely free templates. There's a huge variety to pick from, catering to all sorts of businesses and promotions. Think eye-catching sales announcements, advertisements for your services, or important business announcements that you want to share with your followers. Take your time and pick a template that really resonates with your brand's vibe and aesthetic. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to swap out the placeholder text with your own compelling offer and messaging. This could be anything from 50% off this weekend only to book a free consultation call today. Next, it's time to upload your business logo. This is super easy. Just drag and drop your logo file directly into Canva. Now, let's update the colors to perfectly match your established brand style and create a cohesive look. Here's a pro tip to really connect with your audience. Use fonts and phrases that resonate specifically with UK customers. When it comes to design, remember to keep it straightforward, clean and friendly to create a welcoming impression. And most importantly, don't forget to include a clear and compelling call to action. Add something attention-grabbing like tap to learn more or shop now to encourage immediate engagement. Canva also has a fantastic library of built-in icons and shapes that you can use to enhance your design. Use these strategically to draw attention to key details, visually emphasize your offer, and make your ad more engaging. Always keep in mind that the majority of people will be seeing your ad on their phones, so make sure everything is easy to read at a glance. Using clear, legible fonts, designing big, tappable buttons, and incorporating high contrast colors will really help your ad stand out in the crowded mobile feed. Once you're completely happy with your ad design and you've given it a final review, simply click the download button located at the top right corner of the Canva interface. You'll then be presented with a choice of file formats. Choose either PNG or JPG. The good news is that both of these formats work perfectly well for Instagram, so pick whichever you prefer. With your ad downloaded, you're now ready to upload it directly to Meta Ads Manager, the platform where you'll manage your Instagram advertising campaigns. From there, you can start your campaign, carefully targeting the specific UK audience that you want to reach with your message. And there you have it. Your very first Instagram ad, beautifully designed in Canva without spending a fortune. You're now equipped to win new customers, boost your brand awareness, and achieve your business goals, all without breaking the bank. If you found this quick guide helpful and informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to Boost UK Brand for more valuable tips and tutorials. And be sure to drop a comment below if you'd be interested in a full step-by-step tutorial on how to run highly effective Instagram ads for as little as £1 a day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't hesitate to give Canva a try today. It's time to take your Instagram presence to the next level and start boosting your brand in the UK.